Hi, I'm Joel, and let me be your guide on how to use AI as a travel agent, teaching you how to stay ahead of the crowd by using AI tools. Now, in a short video, I'm going to introduce myself, explain the two goals of the full AI course, and stay to the end because I'll explain how you can get one super cool AI tool for free to use that you can use right away. All right, now, I started in computers in 1984 programming games on my Atari 130XE, then spent 15 years backpacking the globe as a bartender, a waiter, and a butler. I worked 6 years in top resorts and ski resorts and the Rocky Mountains, and 5 years at sea on cruise ships before settling down to a computer networking and IT project management career. I met my wife Shelby while working on board Princess Cruises 24 years ago, and we now own a host travel agency together. Now, now that travel is back, our business is booming with currently 22 agents working remotely from their homes all over the USA and from anywhere in the world as they travel and enjoy fam trips and the TA rates. So let me describe the AI for Travel Agents training program. This program features a curated selection of webinars, courses, ebooks, tutorials, all designed to equip you with essential knowledge and practical skills in the world of AI and its application in the travel industry. So the program has two core objectives. First, we'll provide you with a holistic understanding that's a large, big picture of AI's role in transforming the travel sector, giving you a clear, big picture perspective. Second, we will empower you with hands-on proficiency in utilizing cutting-edge AI tools to streamline your travel agency operations, like saving you time and resources, and ultimately boost your lead generation while assisting your travelers in achieving their journey aspirations, right? So join us on this journey to unlock the power of AI and revolutionize your travel business. So again, in the full course, I'll go into details from beginner to advanced on how to use the most popular generative platforms like Bing Chat Bar Chat, and of course OpenAI, aka ChatGPT, and a dozen other tools that are just as amazing. So if that excites you, sign up for the free. Like right now, sign up and you'll see you on the next page with that one cool tool that you can use right way to save you valuable research time for your travel guests.